Let's dive right into some essential programming concepts that every coder should know. Unions, pointers, programmer-defined data objects, sets, and files. These concepts form the backbone of efficient programming and memory management. First up, unions. A union allows you to store different data types in the same memory location. Think of it as a way to save space. For instance, in C, you might define a union that can hold either an integer or a float. This means you can use the same memory for different purposes, which is particularly useful in low-level programming where memory efficiency is crucial. Just remember, only one member of the union can hold a value at any given time, so you need to manage that carefully. Next, let's talk about pointers. Pointers are variables that store memory addresses. They're powerful because they allow you to directly manipulate memory, which can lead to more efficient code. In C and C++, you can use pointers to create dynamic data structures like linked lists and trees. For example, if you have a pointer to an integer, you can change the value of that integer by dereferencing the pointer. This is a fundamental concept that can seem tricky at first, but once you grasp it, you'll see how it opens up a world of possibilities in programming. Now, onto programmer-defined data objects or structures. These allow you to create complex data types that group related variables together. In C, you can define a structure for a student that includes their name, age, and grades. This encapsulation makes your code more organized and easier to manage. In languages like Java, you can achieve similar functionality with classes, which also allow for methods and encapsulation of behavior along with data. Moving on to sets. Sets are collections of unique elements, and they're incredibly useful for tasks like membership testing and eliminating duplicates. In Python, you can easily create a set using curly braces or the set function. This is particularly handy when you want to perform operations like unions and intersections. Understanding sets can help you write cleaner, more efficient code, especially when dealing with large data sets. Finally, let's discuss files. File handling is crucial for any application that needs to store or retrieve data. Whether you're reading from a text file in Python or writing binary data in C++, knowing how to manage files is essential. You can open, read, write, and close files, and understanding how to handle exceptions during these operations is key to building robust applications. For example, in Java, you can use try with resources to ensure that files are closed properly, preventing resource leaks. In summary, mastering these concepts, unions, pointers, programmer-defined data objects, sets, and files will significantly enhance your programming skills. They not only improve your understanding of how data is managed in memory, but also empower you to write more efficient and organized code. So, dive into these topics, experiment with examples, and see how they can transform your coding experience.